Welcome to 4929 East Westridge Park in Lake Charles. This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is located in a quiet, self-contained South Lake Charles neighborhood. The neighborhood has no through traffic because of the one-entry layout. This home is located in the Lake Charles city limits. There is subsurface storm drainage. Beautiful landscaping lines the walk to the front of the home. The front porch welcomes you into this traditional home located on almost a half-acre of land. This spacious foyer leads you into a large open floor plan. Right from the front door you see the marks of quality with triple crown molding and hardwood floors. The study is located right off the foyer. It features decorator colors, a ceiling fan and stained concrete floors.